We'll cover the upcoming Bajaj Housing Finance IPO, key catalysts like the US jobs report on 6th September, and auto sales data updates. Stay tuned for this week's market outlook. Nifty and Sensex new historic all-time highs are now placed at 25,268.35 and 82,637.03 respectively. The positive takeaway from last week's trade was that FIIs net bought 9,217 crore rupees worth of shares. This Monday morning, GIFT Nifty is pointing to a higher open thanks to the Fed's preferred inflation gauge is on track for September rate cuts. Today, Wall Street is closed on Monday for the Labor Day holiday. Investors will now brace for August US jobs report, which will be released on Friday, 6th September. This NFP will provide the next major test for the stock market. Meanwhile, India's GDP growth slowed to 5-quarter low of 6.7% in Q1 FY25. Slight slowdown in GDP was anticipated due to elections, said V. Anantha Nageshwaran, Chief Economic Advisor. Bottom line, buying on dips shall continue to be the Gyan mantra as bullish investors see a decent chance for 50 BPS Fed cut in September and now brace for US NFP amid Fed rate cut speculation. Global cues are positive. In Friday's trade, FIIs turned out to be net buyers to the tune of Rs 5318 crores while DIIs sold to the tune of Rs 3198 crores. Bullish sentiments shall prevail for benchmark Nifty. Market breadth for the day is likely to be positive. Nifty's technicals are indicating overbought conditions. Fano August month data suggests the trading range for Nifty is likely to be between 24,000 to 25,500 zone. India VIX, the fear index is at 13.39 levels. Nifty PCR, 26th September, is at 1.51 levels. Bank Nifty PCR, 25th September, is at 0.99. Nifty outlook, bullish consolidation shall be the preferred theme for benchmark Nifty. Nifty, CMP to 5236. Key intraday support on Nifty is placed only at 25,137 mark. Immediate resistance is placed only at 25,551 mark. Range for the day is likely to be between 25150 and 25400. Bias for the day is positive. Bank Nifty, CMP 51351. Bank Nifty's biggest support seen only at 50,713 mark. Bank Nifty's biggest resistance is now at 52,350 mark. Bank Nifty's range of day is likely to be between 50,700 and 52,000. Bias for the day is positive. The breaking news this Monday morning is that the highly anticipated initial public offer, IPO, of Bajaj Housing Finance is all set to open between September 9th to 11th to raise 6,560 crore rupees. The price band will be issued on 3rd September while the anchor portion will be on 6th September. Traders will react to the August sales numbers of Austo stocks which trickled in from 1st September. Keeping optimism alive at Dalal Street will be the fact that the WTI crude futures declined by 3.1% in Friday's trade to settle at $73.50 per barrel amidst possibility of rise in OPEC Plus supply. Meanwhile, Reliance Industries has failed to gain traction after its bonus share issue and double growth guidance in the next 5 years in its annual general meeting on Thursday. RIL had ended 0.74% lower in Friday's trade.